Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your college ID for buying a phone. Many major phone carriers recognize the value of students and offer special discounts. Your college ID is a powerful tool to unlock these savings, acting as your official verification. These student-specific deals can lead to substantial savings, sometimes up to 25% off your monthly service or hundreds of dollars on a new device. It is a smart way to manage your budget. Applying for student discounts is usually a straightforward process. First, head to your chosen phone carrier's website or visit one of their physical stores. Search for their student discount program, which is often found under a Deals or Education tab. You will likely be asked to upload a photo of your current college ID. Additionally, some carriers might request your official university email address to confirm your enrollment status. To successfully secure your student discount, there are a few key requirements. Your college ID must be valid and unexpired at the time of application. Occasionally, carriers may ask for additional proof of enrollment, like an unofficial transcript or a letter from your registrar. The verification process usually takes anywhere from 2 to 5 business days. Be aware that some phone companies collaborate with external verification services to confirm your student status efficiently. To truly maximize your savings, it is wise to shop around. Do not settle for the first offer. Compare student discounts from at least 3 different phone carriers. Keep an eye out for special back-to-school or holiday promotions that can be combined with student deals. Sometimes, bundling your phone service with internet or other utilities can unlock even greater savings. Always take a few minutes to review the terms and conditions thoroughly before making any final decisions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.